So we start off today's video with someone who has some grown out color, and she switches it up with a cowboy copper color trend. Absolutely beautiful makeover. I love the way that this came out. She still has those nice fresh bangs. Very cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to be taking a look at some hair transformations. So we hop right into the next one. Looks like she's getting a bob here. Now she actually started off with like mid-length hair, I would say. Nice, classic, simple, and chic, and the bob ended just around her shoulders, or her jawline rather. All right, so next up, ooh, we have another bob transformation. Looks like she got the money piece highlights going for this one. Yeah, she cut a lot of hair off here. Beautiful though. Here we have someone with mid-length hair who switches it up with a bob. Little bit of curtain bang action going there in the front with the center part. Another classic, simple and chic bob haircut. So I thought that this is pretty cool. She is wearing a yellow wig here. Stylist is putting in the work, creating that texture within the wig. Comment down below, would you ever wear yellow hair? I think if I was to wear it, wearing it with a wig would, make it a little bit more fun because it would be temporary. I actually think that this is pretty cute. So next up, we have that same stylist adding in hair extensions. So the client has this beautiful natural texture curly hair. Places the ponytail, hair in a ponytail, and then does a braid here. Oh, so that's how she kind of conceals the clip ends. And then she conceals the top portion as well. Oh, this is pretty. And this is another temporary hairstyle idea that you can try out. Give yourself some length for the night. Gorgeous mermaid strands. Next up, we have a full-blown color transformation. So this one, it looks like she has an undercut here. She's getting a lot of vibrant hair colors. So we got so far yellow, orange, green, blue. Oh, wow. This is like rainbow neon, I would say. And she also has the no eyebrow trend for this look. So the hair is definitely grabbing all the attention. She's got this adorable angled bob. Wow. Very cool hairstyle. Oh, he ended up doing an asymmetrical bob. Wow. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.